Okay, so today we are auditing 2025 travel trailers, and one of them has a massive loophole that allegedly lets you completely bypass that service center wait time.
And I can't wait to expose this one.
This channel reports on patterns of owner documented issues. No determination of liability, defect, or manufacturer fault is made. Just a quick note that this is an educational review and commentary protected under fair use.
We look closely at the structural integrity, warranty support, and the NHTSA data to determine our top 5. To keep things fair, we made sure to only compare travel trailers with the similar specs.
Let's begin with number 5, the 2025 Forest River Rockwood Signature 8336BH.
This is a good rig.
BH stand for bunkhouse?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I actually love the layout here. Dedicated private rear bunkhouse.
Yeah.
It keeps the main living space totally uncluttered.
They made the list because they use a verified 6-sided aluminum cage, which I didn't even know.
I didn't either.
It's a solid skeleton.
Moving to number 4, the Grand Design Imagine 2600RB. The massive panoramic windows in the slide-out prevent the interior from feeling like a dark cave. And that rear bath is huge. Let's get into number 3, the Lance 2285. Lance builds an incredibly tight box. No cheap particle board. They use European light plywood grain.
Most people miss this, but they use Asdel composite panels. No wood to rot in the exterior walls. It is your absolute best defense against water intrusion, turning your walls into a soggy sponge. And we've seen that on the road.
Yeah, it makes you wonder why more don't do that.
I don't know. It is a fantastic rig, but the price point sits in a much higher premium bracket.
Looking at number 2 place, the Alliance Delta 252RL. The interior feels like home. They use commercial-grade vinyl flooring completely flush through the slide-outs.
They outpace the others because their wiring. They color code their 12-volt wiring and use centralized plumbing shutoffs, which I wish RVs would do that. Oh. Better utility routing means faster maintenance. Tracking wires in the dark is miserable. This fixes all of it.
But here's a reality shift. Even with Alliance doing great work, they aren't number 1. So who is number 1?
Here we go.
It's the Brinkley Model Z Air 295.
Of course.
Mm-hmm. If you are shopping in the $70,000 plus premium bracket right now, our opinion is that this is a must-see.
According to the NHTSA data at the time of this audit, specifically for the 2025 Model Z Air 295, there is absolutely 0 critical safety recalls.
That's awesome.
It's amazing.
The reason they take the number 1 spot is their approach to accountability. The repairability score is off the charts.
Right. According to owner reports, Brinkley has authorized warranty parts to be sent directly to independent mobile RV technicians, which I know I keep saying amazing, but that is amazing.
It is. It saves you a lot of
especially
time
when
and
you live on
heartache.
the road.
Yeah. If your rig requires service, you don't have to tow it to a dealer. A tech can come straight to your campsite. The protection payoff here is huge.
Yes.
The potential for extended travel downtime is drastically reduced. And when you're living on the road, that's major.
It is. To be honest with you, no RV is perfect. Even a Brinkley will bounce down the highway and need fixing. But the gap buyers need to understand is how the company reacts. Brinkley reportedly reacts very fast.
Nice. So here is your actionable victory. If you are shopping, look at all 5. But when you walk in, ask to see the specific Brinkley Z Air 295 and guard your money.
All sources and documentation used in this investigation are listed directly below.
This channel reports on patterns of owner-documented issues. No determination of defect, liability, or manufacturer fault is made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
I can say bye now.
You do it. Do
Bye
it.
now.